Hi guys, it's Cami. How are you doing? I miss you guys. It's been a while. Introducing my new Grippum Gold tweezer collection in 5 beautiful, amazing styles. What's amazing about these tweezers and what is so different about these tweezers and then my current tweezers right now is the tip of the tweezer where you pick up the lashes. It is gritty. Diamond plated, gritty, you guys. When something is gritty, it picks up all the lashes. And this is what I love about these tweezers. Our current tweezers right now that we have, they're amazing too, but they're smooth. So when they're smooth, sometimes you get a sweet spot in certain areas, but these tweezers right here, the sweet spot is everywhere and throughout the tip of the tweezers, you guys. So that's the difference. Grippy tweezer. Grippy tweezer can be used for pinching method, mega volume lashes, pre-made volume lashes, classic lash pickup, easy fanning lashes, and wet lashes. And check out how beautiful, you guys. Look at the inside of the tweezer. Look at the grit. Look at the gritty. See that? So that it's not smooth, so it can pick up any type of lash, you guys. This one right here, amazing. Trap tweezer can be used for pre-mades, mega volume lashes, pinching method, classic lash pickup, easy fanning lashes, and wet lashes, and anything else you can think of. And check out the nitty-gritty on this. Look at that. It's very long and wide, so you can fan out bigger fans, wider fans. Tight tweezer can be used for pre-mades, pinching method, classic lash pickup, mega volume pinching, strip lash application, wet volume lashes, picking up rhinestones, arts and crafts. And check out the grit on this. Beautiful. Perfect for pinching. Perfect for pinching. Clingy tweezer can be used for pre-mades, classic lash pickup, mega volume pinching method, strip lash application, wet volume lashes, picking up rhinestones, arts and crafts, anything that you can think of. I love this tweezer so much because it's so thin and it's so long so that you can produce and make wide mega volume fans, wide lash fans. And it's very easily, you can really easily like see when you're like pinching or you're making a fan because it's so thin. Closed tweezer can be used for isolation, pre-mades, classic lash pickup, mega volume pinching, personal grooming, wet volume lashes, strip lash application, picking up nail rhinestones, arts and crafts, anything that you can think of. I love this tweezer especially, you guys, especially for any little things. And it's really good for classic lash pickup. This is my favorite for definitely little things, especially classic lashes. Hope that you guys enjoy my new grippy Grippum Gold tweezers in 5 styles. They are so good, you guys. If you guys ask me what's my favorite, all of them are my favorites. So it's a personal preference. All right, guys, make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube, turn on your notifications, leave a comment, and let's do a giveaway. Let's do a giveaway, you guys. Leave a comment and I will pick a winner. The winner will win all 5 styles of tweezers. And make sure that you follow my Instagram. It's the same as my YouTube, Cami Nguyen LLC. Follow my TikTok, Cami Nguyen LLC, and I will see you guys next time.